Model, 2018 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS 350 L4H3X long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive noisy engine repair very clean starstruck. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 101,777. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,325. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074